The charges against former Mpumalanga Agriculture MEC Mandla Msibi and his 5 co-accused have been withdrawn. The accused appeared briefly at the High Court in Mbombela today. They were arrested for their alleged involvement in a shooting where 2 people were killed and another was injured in Mbombela last year. Let's get the latest now. And Mweli Masilela is our reporter on this story. Mweli, good morning to you. So just take us briefly into the court proceedings today, the reasons for the withdrawal of the charges.
The court proceedings were very brief today when Mandla Msibi and other 5 co-accused appeared here in court, and what we heard from the presiding officer, the judge that was handling this case, he just told us in court, just told the court that the charges against Msibi and the co-accused have been withdrawn. It was just a very, very short court proceeding. So just now we just got clarity from the National Prosecuting Authorities provincial spokesperson Monica Newzroom. What she is telling us is that the charges have been provisionally withdrawn because there's pending information that they need to get. And when asked as to what is it exactly what is that information to be exact in as far as this case is concerned, she's saying that at this stage they can't tell us because this is very sensitive information. But on the side of the accused, that is Mandla Msibi, he told us just outside when he was addressing his supporters that tomorrow he's going back to work because remember he was elected the treasurer of the ANC in the province, but he had to step aside as per the guidelines of the ANC. But what is tricky at this point in time is what happens now, because these charges were provisionally withdrawn, and the judge did mention that this doesn't mean that the case is over. The case might be back on the roll depending on development in as far as that outstanding information is concerned. But let's speak to the spokesperson of the National Prosecuting Authority here in Mpumalanga. Her name is Monica Newzroom. Monica, quite a bit of confusion. The judge was very brief. He just said that the charges have been withdrawn and the case might be back in court, though, depending on developments. If you can just give us clarity, what does this mean in as far as from your side as the NPA is concerned?
Okay. From the NPA side, I can confirm that the former MEC for Agriculture together with the Rural Development, I can confirm that the former MEC for Agriculture, Rural Development together with his 5 co-accused did appear in court today, where charges against all accused were provisionally withdrawn. This is due to outstanding information that was detected by the prosecution team, which we felt that it won't be in the interest of justice for us to proceed with the trial without that information. Therefore, we took a decision of provisionally withdrawing those charges against all accused, meaning that once we obtained all the outstanding information, those charges will be reinstated and all accused will be summoned and appear in court.
How long is it going to take the NPA to have all that information that is outstanding?
This will depend on the investigating team. Once the investigating team has finalized all the outstanding information, they will bring it to our attention as prosecution. Then we'll go through that information and see if it's the information that we needed, and then a decision will be made whether to enroll the matter or not. But all accused still have a case to answer. They are not off the hook.
I just want to know, because the last time when during the bail application, we were expecting that during this trial there might be some videos that will be played inside court in as far as the alleged involvement of the accused is concerned. And from the side of the state said it was ready. Does this mean that then the state wasn't ready in as far as proceeding with trial is concerned?
The NPA is still ready to proceed with the matter. The fact that the matter is provisionally withdrawn does not mean that we don't have evidence against all accused. We do have evidence. We also have witnesses who will testify during the trial. So the matter is still, the accused are still having a strong case to answer.
All right, thank you very much for talking to us. Mweli, that is the spokesperson of the NPA here in Mpumalanga, Monica Nyusa. As you have heard, she's saying that this withdrawal of the charges for now doesn't mean that the case is over. They are still waiting to get that outstanding information. She's saying that it's sensitive information that they are not ready to divulge at this stage. And once they have that information, the case will proceed. As the NPA, they believe that the accused have got a case to answer in court.
Mweli Masilela, thank you very much for that update. Very, very interesting developments indeed. So while Mandla Msibi says he's going back to work tomorrow, well, what might the ANC at national level say? Because they were the ones who would have asked the MEC, well, the then MEC, now treasurer of the ANC in that province, to basically write to them stating very clearly that he was going to step aside. So what happens now? Where or how does the step aside resolution fit into this picture?